talaga, Cloudstaff officially opened its annual sports festival nitong April 25 sa AUF Sports Center, bringing together its talented staff for weeks of exciting competition and teamwork. With the theme Game On, 10 teams ang maglalaban-laban sa iba't ibang sports tulad ng basketball, volleyball, badminton, table tennis, chess at Mobile Legends. Tuloy-tuloy ang bakbakan tuwing Sabado at Linggo simula April 26 hanggang sa Grand Finals sa June 28. True to its people first and number one workplace philosophy, sinabi ng Cloudstaff na ang event na ito ay para bigyan ng masayang work-life balance ang kanilang mga empleyado at palakasin pa ang camaraderie sa bawat isa.
Alright, the purpose of this event, this is our way to give work-life balance and, of course, camaraderie to our staff. This opening ceremony and the whole game schedule of our sports fest is open for all. So technically, this is the family bonding.
Cloudstaff remains a top employer, proudly recognized by HR Asia bilang isa sa best companies to work for in Asia for 4 straight years and counting. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.